recorded on an iPhone, I know, I'm sorry. But this is the intro. We are here at the D1 GP Tokyo Drift racing event, which is like a Drift Grand Prix. And also I've heard it's part of the World Cup actually. Don't ask how we made it in here, and don't ask how we managed to get media vests, but we are in here now. So let's go straight to the POV.
これは非常に1位から4位に入るのは重要だと。Because we're shooting on High Speed Plus, I always check the photos right after I took them, so that I can zoom in, see which ones are sharp, which ones I like, and if I like one I use the rate function, and then I have added a star to it, so that when I go into Lightroom to select the images I can already see which are the good ones. Because on an event like this you will easily take like close to 1,000 shots, and that makes it easier. Okay, I'm trying to go for a panning shot now. Slow shutter. Okay, I took this at 1/400, which is obviously still too fast. So we need to go down to, I think, 1/80th maybe. Then we obviously have to adjust the aperture. That looks about right. Oh no. Fucking hell. 1/80th. Let's try again. Damn.
PlayStation goes up.
That's a setup. Yep.
It's not a great spot there actually. So what you do is just get pretty much the backside of the drifter.
No, this one isn't good. It was better there.
No, I mean like where the meter is there.
I mean, you can get them down the exit.
It's not good, but you don't want the back of it though. You don't want the back of it. It's just...
Depends, for some shots, but definitely not for all of them.
Oh man, the guy standing there would be nice. What's that? The guy standing in the middle of the track.
Yeah, you could get that turn really good. Okay, as you can see by the traffic light there, the track is red, which means it's on hold. It's like a red flag. Don't know why. Brought out the safety car, but I can't see anything going on. No crash or anything. It's just, it's track maintenance. You can see right over there that they are cleaning the track now. So that's why the track is on red. Isn't it crazy how lucky we are that we are here in Tokyo during this event? Like, how lucky do you have to be? We didn't know that this was going to happen. We didn't know this is a thing at all. But yeah, we are here. Right, I think I'll go on a little walk to see if there's another area that's interesting.
Break time now.
From now? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Team member share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 You just told me. It's now lunch break until 15:20.
So now we can head to the service park and have a look at the pits. Ah, they have a media tent in here. Okay, so as we are going into the pits now, I will swap lenses, go for the good old 35, and then I will actually throw on the polarizer for this one. I think that's the polarizer. CPL, perfect. I didn't know they opened the pits for everyone on lunch break. Shit. Because we are shooting in a like bit more controlled environment here, which means that I don't need tracking autofocus, I'll switch to Spot AF, because that's what I usually use, and then we can go on. Let's try to head down to the other area where less people are allowed. Oh, check out that skyline. Fucking hell. I'd love to have two of these, like the bride seats for the car I recently bought. Okay, so let's try to go with some 3/4 shots. 3/4 means that if you draw a line here right on the edge, then the front is 1/4 and the rear is 3/4. That's why it's called a 3/4 shot. And we go for that. We close down the aperture a bit to f3.2, because otherwise you will have the headlight in focus but the rear of the car will be blurry, and we don't really want that. So we go with f3. We always set the focus to the point that's closest to us, which is like right around here at the how do you say, the grill. Then we set our lighting. We adjust the polarizer, because as you can see right here, we can get rid of the reflections on the bonnet and the windshield. Doesn't really do much on the side except for on the windows, but I want the front to be polarized. So now all we have to do is wait for her to disappear and then we can take the photo. Alright, so we go low, but not too low, like more or less on headlight level. Okay, we got the angle, we got the lighting, now we are ready, and there we go. They even brought out all the trucks here. But honestly, most of these cars have a better tune and a better spec than most wannabe tuning cars back in Germany, so don't mind them at all. Of course, we have a power bank with wheels here. Just kidding. Calm down, EV boys. It's alright. Calm down. Here we have all the Zs, BRZs, GT8 6s, and of course a shit ton of Skylines. Even a Nismo. How can you not love a good Skyline, honestly? It doesn't really matter which one actually, they are all amazing. I want to get a shot of this one because I think the light is really good here. So, same procedure again, adjusting the polarizer, setting our lighting, maybe get a quick test shot, have a look through the viewfinder because you can judge the lighting way better that way. I already know that I'll be proper depressed when I get back home, because here in Japan you can do basically whatever you want to your car and still ride it on the road, because the regulation on cars and like modding and everything is so relaxed here in Japan compared to a lot of other countries. I'll be focusing on that Supra. They just turned on track lighting because it's close to like sunset. Where's the sun? Wait, let me show you. There. And now they have set up lights here. And I don't know for how long we can stay because we have to get a rental car because we have something else planned for tonight. They've turned on the track lights here and they will probably light up the smoke from the tires like in an absolutely insane way. According to my handy little app here, sunset is at 4:20 or 4:30. And we have to leave at 4:20 to get the rental. Fuck. Just another quick tip when it comes to panning shots. On the lens, like the 70-200 and also a lot of other lenses, you will find a stabilizer. Turn that off for panning shots. Why is that? When you have the stabilizer on, the lens or your camera will try to lock onto something it can find and keep that where it was. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's how the stabilizer works. It just looks for a point and it tries to track that. So when you do panning shots, it can happen that when you pan the camera and you have the stabilizer on, the lens can start to stutter because of that. Whereas if you turn the stabilizer off, you can really perfectly track the cars. And also, if you go for panning shots, shoot through the viewfinder. Always go for the viewfinder if you do panning shots, trust me. I do shoot through the screen quite a lot, but if you do panning shots, it's way harder to track the cars and to perfectly match their speed when you look through the screen. And here they go. It is tandems, nice! Absolutely love to stay for a bit longer, but unfortunately it's time for us to leave now, because as already said, something else we're gonna do tonight. I'm not telling you what it is, you have to watch on YouTube, and if there's no video about it on YouTube then it didn't work out, but if it did, there's a video, okay? So make sure to stay up to date, and with that amazing background noise you can hear there, I'm saying goodbye, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Until then.
What do you do, man?
This is the audition video. We're going to the sofa next.